Hello, my name is Chang-gang Zhang, VP Technology of JACS Solution. JACS Solution is leader in enterprise and industrial IoT solution. So today, based on our latest project, I'd like to share our case study showing how we actually optimizing revenue investment through the enterprise and the industrial IoT. So you might be wondering, what is private LTE networks and what is the benefit and how it is applicable and benefit to the enterprise? Before we go to our case study, let's have those questions being cleared. So private LTE networks is customized and purpose-built mobile networks, and it serves authorized users through the SIM card with increased security, and it delivers high capacity, coverage, mobility, security, and more benefits for the enterprise. Typically, it is a small cell-based access point or base station. It is easy, flexible to be deployed indoor and outdoor. Also, it uses shared and unlicensed spectrum. Thanks to the FCC and CBRS citizen band spectrum was allocated 2 years ago, it can be used for the private LTE networks. It uses spectrum in mid-band between 3.5 and 3.7 megahertz band. It is regulated into 3 layers of priorities. And the very top, that's the incumbents, which actually serves the federal government and some military usage. They have the highest priority. And mid-tier priority is priority access layer, and those are the paid license holders. They have priority access, and the bottom layer is general access. So that's the most private LTE networks is using. So the priority is managed by spectrum access systems. From mobile network perspective, it is very similar to public mobile networks. You have a micro base station, you have indoor base station, you have small cells base stations, which serves the subscribers. And whenever there's a user requests the access of network, so the request is routed into a SAS. We mentioned this. The SAS is a spectrum administration system. So with this system, and the FCC authorized the SAS administrators, they established their sensor-based network. Those networks actually constantly monitoring the spectrum usage. They actually regulate access and making channel allocation. So this is how you obtain the network access based on the priorities, and make sure there's no congestion and fairly usage based on your priority. So this is a very special part of private networks because of it's a SAS administration. So we know, private LTE networks uses a CBRS band spectrum. So if we look at benefit to the enterprise, we can look at from 2 dimensions. First dimension, the performance. Okay, CBRS-based private networks offers coverage, capacity, and quality of services. It has a very enhanced coverage if you compare to the regular private enterprise private network like Wi-Fi. Offers 10 times more coverage in the outdoor scenario. For the indoors, there is also a significant improved coverage. For the benefits dimension, you can see that private network offers privacy, and because of its SIM card base, it has a secure transmission, and you have your local cloud and local data storage for the enterprise security and privacy. Also, it supports flexibility, and it can be easily deployed and configured into enterprise special need and for your customization. And also, it actually offers lowered cost of ownership. And as you deploy additional services of private network offers, actually it increase your revenue stream, so that helps and improve the cost of ownership. Okay, with all those benefits, and you can see actually there are a lot of private network application and deployment in all the different verticals, from video surveillance and asset tracking, sports venue, healthcare, hospital, agriculture, and industry 4.0 site and warehouse. If you look at actually deployed private networks, they are across all the different verticals, and they are fast growing, and the potential is huge going forward. Now it's time we come to our specific case study we would like to share. This special case study actually involves correction industry. You can see this is the jail system, and the current jail system actually uses very traditional Wi-Fi networks as its connectivities, and it deployed tablet for its inmate. As more and more tablets are being used, and actually the existing Wi-Fi networks and is showing its bottlenecks. And even you deployed Wi-Fi 5 gigahertz based Wi-Fi and with dual band with increased capacity, but because of the jail systems building construction with very big and thick concrete material, and actually 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi has very huge attenuation. So it's a pinpoint right now they are facing. When they are trying to increase the capacity and increase the user experience, they come to the point, invest more into the Wi-Fi network expansion, or we are looking at alternative solution. But the final decision is go for private networks. And once the private network is deployed, as I said, it offers 150 megahertz of spectrum. So it increases the capacity and also has the indoor coverage better than the Wi-Fi, and also offers outdoor coverage. You know, with the Wi-Fi network, there's no way you can have outdoor coverage. This one offers outdoor coverage, offers mobility, which is the big limitation of Wi-Fi's. So with this all deployed, so they have less customer complain of use the tablets, and when the users using tablets running the high definition applications like video streaming and music streaming and video visitations, and they see the smooth data flow, no interruption, customer satisfaction, improve the revenues. Even they also looking into deploy airborne based video surveillance. Those are the making big thrust into the smart jail system. So they are increase their revenues and improve their returns by deploying the private LTE networks. This is my end of presentation. Just show you the project we work and how actually it helps enterprise to improve their business and to improve their bottom line and increase their revenues.